You good?
Tell him to get going.
Oh, hold on.
Fire. Damn. What the fuck fire?
Alright guys, working on the F250 today. As you see, we have the charger out here. We stole the battery off of Mater to try to give us a little bit more juice. We have one of the older batteries still in here. We did have to go ahead and replace the starter. We think it was a bad unit. This is a new updated design. It's a little bit shorter. It doesn't have the cone on the front of it. And about a month or so ago, we went ahead and replaced the starter solenoid here. So that's why that looks a little bit different. I think I fried the last one in the last video I was showing you guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the starter on, and we're gonna see if we can't get this truck started today. All right, got the new starter on, got Mater's old battery, have another battery that's kind of maybe somewhat charged. We got the battery charger out here, so we're gonna give it a shot. You gonna hit the ignition or try to hit the starter solenoid?
It'll hit with the ignition.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Oh, so close. It's wanting to.
She wants to. She's just about there. You need a little more.
Juice, you think?
A little bit more juice.
All right, let's charge it a little bit more and we'll be back.
We are in. Wait to start. Little plug, get some energy. Someone spray me some ether in there. We're gonna need it for real. Maybe about two little spritz. I hate doing this. Go.
She's close.
She's trying.
She's close. All right, we'll come back. All right, let's just try, I think number 3 or 4. I'm gonna have Hudson hop in my truck and just hold it at like $2 grand. He's doing the wait to start right now. Let me know when it's done and I'll let Hudson know. You good?
Tell him to get going.
Oh, hold on.
Fire. Damn. What the fuck fire?
Yeah, there's a little bit of fire in there. We might need to.
That's always good. That's fire. Where the fuck?
Yeah, there's literally fire in there. So hold on, we'll have to come right back. All right, now we have Hudson holding the fire extinguisher just in case. And it was just a little flame, so we should be good now.
All right, y'all ready? Yes.
Yeah, let me stand back a little bit. It's so close. It's getting closer and closer.
Yeah, it keeps getting closer and closer as we're going. The good thing is the Dodge is giving it the extra boost it needs. That's the good thing. All right.
We're gonna let it cool down for a second. You think maybe it'll charge a little bit more? It's getting closer and closer. What are you thinking?
Because every time we're going, as soon as it's making that first turn, it's like it's trying to bust off. You got the fire extinguisher.
All right, like I said, we have Hudson ready with the fire extinguisher. Got me on the camera, Storm behind the wheel. We might just let it charge a little bit more and try again. We're definitely getting closer and closer with each charge. All right. I didn't realize how loud the Dodge was.
Did you hear it? It almost fired. Did you? I swear to God, you hear that?
I didn't hear it.
Dude, you didn't hear it?
All I heard was a Dodge.
It went, it almost
I've never heard the Dodge from the outside. So.
Where the ether at?
No, fuck off.
I don't know about the ether.
Sure.
I don't know.
You don't need it. You don't need it. It's the battery.
Alright. She close. This is why I say I wish I could bottle feed.
Was that at $2 grand or higher?
That was 3.
That was 3?
Damn, don't be blowing the damn eyes, bitch.
So be careful now. I don't blow a head gasket. Hold it like 2K. All right, what's this, number 6?
I guess. Spray me some goddamn ether in that. Damn.
That's scary.
I don't want to do this. You better not crank it till I get done with this shit.
Okay, hold it.
I thought I heard a rod knock right there.
Rod knock?
Oh, I thought I heard for a second.
Like.
You heard that too?
It sounded like.
to do?
I don't know.
Daddy. What's the ride gonna do?
We got fire?
No, there's no
Oh,
fire.
we got fire.
Alright, have the battery out of the Mustang. So we got a Norris battery on the driver's side. We're hooked at the Dodge, hooked up to the passenger side battery, the battery out of Mater. New starter. Don't really know about the glow plugs. No ether. But we know the glow plugs work.
Glow plugs work. They're fine.
There's no smoke back here. There's no white smoke or anything.
No white smoke?
Nuh-uh.
Flip the tank again. Try the
Oh
other tank.
yeah. I'm sorry. My
Oh, you're on the
mistake.
wrong
Let's
tank?
try the second tank.
You want to try to hop in there and just like hold it like $2 grand, see if it makes any difference? Hold on, let him hop in there and try to hold it like $2 grand, see if it makes any difference.
Okay.
I want to say it was smoking on that last one, but I could have been wrong. Alright, it's like 2K.
No smoke?
Nothing. I smelled a little bit, but I didn't see anything. Something's burning off. I smell
I
it.
can smell it.
I don't know what that is, but
I don't know if it's good or bad.
Hey, you can do?
alright, let us do some more research and we'll come right back.
Take that battery.
Alright, we just got the fuel filter off. There's like a little valve on the bottom. We're not 100%. It wasn't hooked up. It wasn't hooked up, right?
No, this wasn't.
I don't think it was hooked up.
Hey, leave some comments in the comment section on what this is.
But we're gonna, I guess, probably grab another filter and put some new diesel in it and see if that makes any difference. But I know we were getting fuel to the straighter valve. Anytime we would crank it, we would hit that and we were getting fuel there. So I know it shouldn't be a fuel issue. But we're gonna go ahead and replace the filter and put some new diesel in it, see if it'll help out at all.